Alright, again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up VIP Snipher Pro VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem while setting up this application, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be guiding you through each and every process step by step. So don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. So first step, we're going to open our Google Play Store, and then once we open our Google Play Store, we are going to search our application, which is VIP Snipher VPN Pro. This is the application everyone is talking about. I don't know why you haven't yet installed this application, because it is one of the fastest application used by most of the individuals that are accessing secure connection right now. So as you see the update, it is now May, and then it is March 9th, and then that is the update. So take note of the app icon, take app name, and then let us continue setting up this application. So you're going to download, and then after install this application and then open. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidance. So yeah, initially this application will be looking like this. Just check OK, allow all the required permissions, and this you're going to start by doing this. First and foremost, you're going to come in the top left corner and then check onto those dashes. Then you're going to choose online update, so that you can be able to update the server. So we're going to see this message that we are checking for updates, and then give that process more time, because once you don't update the servers, this application will automatically fail to connect to a secure internet. So give it some few seconds to give it some few seconds to update the servers. Let us wait for it to update the servers, and then we shall be able to set this application up. So after updating the servers, we're going to come where you see auto select server, and you can choose a server that is near to your country's location, but I'll keep in the auto select server. And then I'm going to come here, right here down, and then I'm going to be seeing these servers. So we're going to be seeing these servers. Now this is what we're going to do. You're going to come from recommended, you're going to come and then turn from recommended to all networks. And then once you choose all networks, as you see, we have successfully updated the servers. We're going to come where you see all networks, and then scroll and then look for your country's network. Alternatively, you can use the search bar and then search for that network, but I do recommend to use this network, which is UDP or network or direct connection, any of those two. Then after, I'm going to come where you see the circular stuff, and then press it, and then give it some few seconds to establish a secure connection. As you see, it has connected successfully. So if yours fails to connect, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through how to set up this application, and then that is it. You can also turn airplane mode on and then off. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Tech, and I sign out.